Grand Rising Divine Collective, we are going to tap into the sign of Virgo. Virgo. Someone here is afraid to be alone, Virgo, so they stay. I am hearing biological evidence, bodily fluids, plants, and animal matter are of significance. You are someone who is showing up as calm, reserved, and quiet, Virgo. There's advancement here in your social standing and status. I'm picking up on Peter Pan syndrome, someone here that refuses to grow up, okay? Self-care Sunday, Spirit is speaking of, Virgo, prioritizing rest, recharge emotionally, pamper yourself. You are the main lady, you are the main male. I'm getting sudden wealth here for you, Virgo. The Ace of Cups, you are the chosen one. Lightning bugs, Spirit says you've awakened to your power. You are no longer giving love to people who disrespect your boundaries, Virgo, okay? You're no longer giving love to these people who refuse to grow up. I'm picking up on a life insurance policy that was cashed in, Virgo. Someone here is high ranking in the spiritual realm. Spirit says you will enjoy great distinction and rise rapidly in your calling. Someone here that was trying to control you is blocked from your energy. Spirit says that you intimidate this group of people. They're scared to come towards you, Virgo. Someone that is blocked from your energy, Spirit says they've moved on here with third parties. Meanwhile, you've moved on in peace, and now you have peace within you, Virgo. Eczema is of significance. I'm getting eczema. Discernment over reaction, Spirit is speaking of. Pause before responding. Someone here may be trying to provoke you, Virgo. Again, discernment over reaction. Pause before responding. Someone here knows that they really, really messed up. Okay. You've transformed so much, Spirit is speaking of, through acknowledgement and hasty decisions, I'm hearing. You've transformed through acknowledgement and hasty decisions, Virgo, okay? This is divine intervention, a calling, an invitation, not just physical, but spiritual. Everything begins to shift here for you, Virgo. You're being asked to step forward into your next phase. Don't ignore the reality of the situation. Someone here is having some type of emotional outburst, Virgo. The cops may be being called in this storyline because of some type of emotional outburst. Shared location, GPS location is of significance, okay? An emotional outburst, a shared location, GPS location. Spirit says that you'll live a long and peaceful existence, that this is part of your experience, Virgo. Grounding is of significance. Practices that help you stay emotionally present, calm, and connected to reality. Someone here is noticing you. They have their eyes on you, Virgo. Spirit says you are innocent. Someone here, they're going to have to carry their own burdens. You are innocent. This person's fate has already been decided. They tried to destiny swap with you, Virgo. That is what I'm picking up on. There's a tarot reader here, the Star, a healer. Someone tried to destiny swap with a tarot reader, the Star, a natural healer. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn is here. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Someone is doing an isolation spell here, Virgo. Some of you may be experiencing some type of heartache. Spirit wants you to know that this heartache will turn out to be a blessing in disguise, okay? You'll start to realize, you're going to come to realize, Virgo, that you've been divinely protected all along. The final blow, this is divine redirection, Virgo. You know the truth, Spirit says. You know the truth. February, March, I'm getting. February, March. I heard zestiness. Zestiness. Virgo, what? Birds of a feather flock together, Spirit is saying. All right. I'm getting bait and switch in this reading, Virgo. 5:51 on the clock. There's someone here that you can't trust. They are trying to do a bait and switch here. I heard zestiness and birds of a feather flock together. Don't trust this person, Virgo. 911, I can't make this up, okay? This is an emergency. You cannot trust whoever this is. They're trying to do a bait and switch. So I feel like someone is trying to provoke you here. They're trying to pull you outside of your energy here, Virgo. Don't trust this person. Gang stalking, harassment, I'm getting. This is a fool. I'm getting the fool. I'm getting 144,000, the children of Israel, the chosen ones, and Georgia being of significance. Georgia, Spirit says, yes, you're remembering. I feel like there's hidden messages in this, Virgo. You're starting to remember. I heard the 144,000 children of Israel, the chosen ones. Continue moving forward with confidence and grace. The Hierophant in the reverse. Plot twist. The Hierophant is in the reverse. Plot twist. There's a tower here. Spirit says this tower will clear the way with something better. Okay? These detours do not define who you are, Virgo. You have some type of spiritual gift here, psychic abilities. You are who God says that you are, Virgo. Someone paid someone to do something to you, okay? Trauma, abuse. They paid someone to traumatize you, to abuse you, Virgo. You have someone new coming in. I'm picking up on a deep spiritual connection here, a new connection. I've gotten the star twice in this reading. Healing after realizing you were never meant to shrink yourself to match dysfunction. Okay, Virgo? You are dealing with a lot of fallen angels here. Spirit says they've been lost for so long, but you've cut this cord, okay? You will overcome any secret enemies, any opposition. You will rise to prominence, Virgo. 8:34 on the clock. You have the gift of sight here. You may be seeing flashing lights. Virgo, dark shadows. Spirit is saying, stop being in toxic circles just because they're familiar, okay? I do feel like there's a shapeshifter in your energy that Spirit is telling you to be aware of. Like I said, I heard zestiness, Virgo, whatever that means. But it's like I'm getting someone who is in their masculine, their feminine. They may be a little bit more in their feminine energy here, but this is a masculine Virgo, okay? The Devil reversed. You've broken free from whatever the situation is, Virgo. You've broken free from cycles, lust, addiction, and manipulation. Spirit wants you to keep choosing your freedom. You are no longer what held you back. 9:46 on the clock, okay? You will obtain the favor of the rich. Someone here is getting put in the corner by your spirit guides.